Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a template in Notion. So in order to create a template page in Notion, first create your template, then simply select all of the text in your template and press Command X. So this will basically cut out this text and copy it to your clipboard. Now type backslash and database inline. Here, just close this and then click on this plus icon. Here, go right here to this drop down and click on new template. Now add this template a name, and then simply in here, simply paste all of your page that you have copied before. So press Command V, and now you're editing a template in new database, as you can see. So once you are done editing your new template, just go back, and here every time you create a new page, you can create it from this template. As you can see, here it is, template. So I can use it every time I will create a new page. It is really this simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.